akwada on man maame na adwuno bentoa empano to da we chairman Wontumi Ashanti governor. Yes, number one Ashanti governor. Wontumi say President Mahame ba Kumasi ya negotiate with him before aba tutum say Wontumi power so na ne kama na deal with him. Chairman Wontumi charged in 30 million Ghana cedis Exim Bank loan fraud case. Asem we ebia some of you nyamunyina ebia some of you and said anti asem we ase. I'll break it down for everybody to understand. Yetiana yesi Wontumi akọ Exim Bank. Yesi wa allegedly wa forged documents akọ Exim Bank. Akọ 30 million say odibe yafu scanner ma afu no yanhu where the money go there. Now yesi beside Wontumi Samuel boy galamsey case no kurampo no. New chase ni asabe to dwase a kurampo ni say Chairman Wontumi sana Exim Bank loan no ko giye no I want show any results of it no. Court ayeden asa charging with that. Na details ready edutwam. Memma loan no kwan ya ofa so giye ehun background news ni na memma. But before no me pese memma hu the details of the story no. Na fe de memfa mo kwa chire mo how I Wontumi efa so acquire esa loan no. You be shocked. The Ashanti Regional Chairman of the MPP, better than Chubusiakun, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi, has been formally charged in connection with an alleged multi-million cedi fraud and money laundering scheme linked to a loan facility obtained from the Ghana Export-Import Bank, Exim Bank. Court documents filed at the High Court in Accra show that Chairman Wontumi Thomas and Chubusiakun, who is currently at large and Wontumi Farms Limited, are facing 4 criminal charges, including defrauding by false pretense, authorizing forged documents, money laundering, and intentionally causing financial loss to the public institution. According to the charge sheet dated May 15, 2026, the accused persons allegedly secured about 14.3 million Ghana cedis from Exim Bank in 2018 under the guise of establishing a large-scale farming project. Prosecutors claim Wontumi Farms Limited applied for a 19 million Ghana cedis loan facility, presenting documents that purported to show the company had secured a 100,000-acre parcel of land for the agriculture venture. The prosecution further alleges that the company submitted supporting documents, including a board resolution and a project proposal, some of which investigators say were dated before the official incorporation of the company. Although Exim Bank approved a facility of 18.7 million Ghana cedis, investigators say 14.3 million Ghana cedis was eventually disbursed. However, prosecutors allege that the funds were not used for the intended farming activities as presented to the bank. Enti Chairman Wontumi eko kachire Exim Bank so sikase na mi hia me de koye farms me o company be friend Wontumi Farms ye releases kama Wontumi ya sa ne Wontumi gina so e de beji ehun loan no otilo se kamba ya hu friends and farms no Wontumi discount koye different one fan koye the friends and farms no scan so and samba enteno na edena so ye. That's why time I eji Wontumi last year May mu ho na nkrofo free Wontumi no me say mo kamoni me ne Wontumi committee against Ghana, you never see them say free Wontumi. Investigators claim no land was acquired for the project, no farming operations were carried out, and no agricultural machinery was purchased, despite representations made in the loan application. The charge sheet further alleges that Chairman Wontumi later presented a purported receipt for 4 million Ghana cedis worth of agriculture equipment to justify the use of part of the facility. Investigators, however, contend that the document was originally a pro forma invoice which had allegedly been altered and falsely presented as proof of payment and purchase. According to prosecutors, the alleged forged document was subsequently used to obtain additional disbursement from the bank. Under count 3 of the charge sheet, prosecutors alleged that Chairman Wontumi between 2018 and 2022 took possession of part of the 14.302 million obtained by Wontumi Farms Limited, while allegedly knowing the funds has been acquired through fraud. The Chairman Wontumi, per this case, Chairman Wontumi ni obi a otu social media na te internet no so ebo a friend abrofo kro no difference wo. The ovia free brody one you ovia free Ghana ni ho. Which one is dangerous? Eti Wontumi case ni. Now mama chira wade. Tio. According to the court documents and reports, prosecutors say Bernard and Chibo Siako and his company, Wontumi Farms Limited, applied for a large farming loan from Ghana Exim Bank in 2018. 1. Applying for a farming loan with false claims. That's number 1. That's the first accusations. Prosecutors say the company claimed it had secured about 100,000 acres of land for a big farming project and promised jobs for thousands of people. They want to apply loan. Was sent to a company be a friend Wontumi Farms Limited. Now I acquire 100,000 acres of land. I'm a big farming project a big BA and Juma thousands and the amount and crop for. That is number 1. Number 2, using suspicious or allegedly forged documents. Investigators claim some documents submitted to the bank were problematic. One issue raised was that a board resolution was dated before the company was officially incorporated. You see? Indeed, forged documents are just say any documents I bet me loan. You understand? Now was invoice fake invoice B. Should have done your money submitted the Akoma Bank. Chantron loan ni bi kura waji ya krampo before company no adi kwaji loan no kura no yebe ti company no odi dinya kwaji won ti company no ba odi dinya kwaji ya na nkrofo we dey yamu in 8 years no obi jina ho say free Wontumi receiving millions from the bank. The bank reportedly approved about 18.7 million Ghana cedis and around 14.3 million was paid out to the company for not using the money for the farming project. Prosecutors allege that no land was actually acquired, farming activities did not happen, and agricultural machinery was not purchased as promised. The asasidia no acquire ya nyafu bia ne Wontumi kan ho asem de beji loan no ba kokora ni wa asiye ne nyina na entro. Allegedly altering a document, investigators say a document presented as proof that 4 million cedis worth of equipment had been bought was actually only a pro forma invoice and may have been altered to look like a receipt. They claim this was used to get more money from the bank. Invoice that are due, or they are being control forged document, causing financial loss. Authorities claim the bank suffered losses exceeding 30 million Ghana cedis and that some of the funds were diverted into personal use or unrelated businesses. So you see, scanner Wontumi ji no one fan kwa yeni oso be yo but they are different. To when a yejina so a charge Wontumi court. Na 7 day a sujenga na prowi.